So in this tutorial I'm going to use a cotton yarn 100% mercerized from Alize Bahar and a 4mm crochet hook. I'm going to use 2 strands of yarn from the same cotton and the same color. You can choose to do different colors, it's up to you. We'll start with a magic loop or circle and I'll chain 4. We need to go a bit slowly when we use the 2 strands because you might lose it during work. Join, chain 2, then half double crochet in the circle. And I'll join in the beginning stitch on top of the chain 2. Now, like we do for every circle, I'm gonna chain 2 and 2 half double crochet in each stitch. If you want a detailed tutorial, I'll put the link in the description box for other circles that I did. So we must obtain 20 half double crochet. So now I'm at the end of the first round and I have 20 stitches, so I'm gonna join on top of the beginning chain 2. So from this row, what we're gonna do is decrease the number of 2 half double crochet in the stitch. Means what I'm gonna do now, in the first stitch 2 half double crochet, in the next stitch 1 half double crochet. I will alternate 2 1 2 1 until the end of the round. For the third round is 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. The fourth one 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1. Follow the written pattern for more clarity and also this video tutorial, and also the link for the other circle videos, so you can, if you're a beginner, you can know what I mean and follow properly with this pattern. So now I have completed 5 rounds of half double crochet, like I said, increasing the single half double crochet in every row. Row 5 was 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Now what I'm going to do for the rest of my work till we change again, chain 2, half double crochet in every stitch. So it's gonna be only half double crochet in every stitch from now on, this way, and I'll come back to show you how many rows to achieve and what we're gonna do next. So now I have done 13 rows total of this half double crochet, and now we're going to change to a different stitch for the next 3 rows. So I'm going to chain 3. I will skip this stitch, which is this one, and I'll put 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Like so. Now I will yarn over, go behind this stitch and work a normal double crochet. We have to do it slowly so the thread stays the same. So this is our first cross stitch created. We'll do one more time. So this is the last stitch. Now we're gonna skip this one and we're gonna put 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So with this stitch we're creating like a breathable air inside the hat. We're gonna do this for again total of 3 rows. I'll come back and show you afterwards what we're gonna do. Okay, so one thing I forgot to explain, after every cross stitch row we need to do a row of 1 single crochet. So after this row of cross stitch I will have to chain 1 and I will put 1 single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row before I start the next cross stitch row. So 1 cross stitch row and 1 single crochet row. Again, I'm doing mistakes here. So I have finished 3 rows of the cross stitch and single crochet. Now again I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next row, the same as I showed you before. And after this we'll go to the last step of the beach hat. So now I have finished the row of single crochet and now we're going to expand our hat. So I'm gonna chain 2. So from this row until the 4th one, we're gonna go in a circle mode again where we need to keep it flat. So I chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. One half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Again 2 half double crochet in the next stitch and 6 half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. We'll continue the same, 2 in one stitch and 6 in the next stitch until we come back to close the round. Now I have finished with this row. As you can see, there is a new color involved, and then in the next row what I'm gonna do, it's again chain 2. I'll do 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and 7 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next 7 stitches, and repeat again. And on the next row I'll do 2 and 8, means 2 half double crochet in the same stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next 8 stitches. The next row I will increase to 9. So until I get I will do that until I get the shape required of my hat. So as a recap for this hat, what I did is 7 rounds of the flat circle, means like we did an increase of the single half double crochet until the 7th round. Then I went into one half double crochet in every round for around 5 rows, I think, and then we did 3 rows of the cross stitch. Then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows again of decrease in the 2 half double crochet. The written pattern is very detailed with all the information you require, and follow it along with this video. And then I ended up doing 2 rounds of half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in every stitch only, to make it look round like this, to avoid that sliced look which usually comes in the round or circle projects. So basically this is the end result.